Oh man, those mirrors are dirty. Anyways, what's going on? Yeah, so this is not the video I had planned to make. I was planning to make another video, but it's all good because I got something in store for you. And we'll talk about that in a second. And I guess I might as well show you what I'm going to talk about. But we're going to go out for a little ride on this bad boy right here. I'm not sure what year this thing is, but it is a ZX6r. You guys might know what year it is. Pretty much all tricked out. So we're gonna go give it a little test ride, and I'll tell you the story. Well, as you can see, we are on something just a little bit different. I'll tell you the story about it in a second, but it's a Kawasaki ZX6R. I'm really not sure what year it is, but this shit's pretty dope. So, some of you guys know I am getting a cage and sub-cage put on my GSX S750. I was supposed to get it back this weekend, but they're still working on it. So I was like, hey, my Daytona is kind of leaking oil, and it's kind of taking little shit on me. She's running good. She's just leaking oil. So I was like, I need to get to work, and I think the bike's gonna be ready tomorrow. And he goes, well, why don't I lend you my bike, and you can go to work and then come pick it up after work. And I was like, I'm down with that. And this is what he brought. I'm not complaining one bit. This is pretty dope. You can tell. I think I have to take a look, but I'm pretty sure he has different gearing on here for sure. Yeah, the idle is like really high, and I can tell the gearing's a bit off, which is all good. As long as it gets me to work, I'm happy, and I get to ride something different. It's definitely, you know what's funny is that I'm assuming the bars are raised a little bit or something, because it definitely doesn't sit as aggressive as my Daytona. My Daytona is by far one of the most aggressive seating positions of a bike that I've ridden, so this is actually really comfortable. So the video that I had planned to make yesterday was going to be kind of like a showing of the GSX S750 with the stunt cage and the sub cage all put on there, because that, oh man, if you guys follow on Instagram, you guys probably seen it, but man, it looks so good. So I was really excited to get that back, and I was a little disappointed, but those guys are fucking dope at Impaktech. He's super cool, and had no problem like, hey, why don't I lend you a bike, and you can just come pick up yours, hopefully tomorrow. And I was like, yeah, I don't have a problem with that. As long as I got a bike that runs, it works, yeah, I'm game. It's no big deal. And then I thought that'd be cool to ride something a little bit different. But man, it's a fucking little cold out. I didn't even check the temperature. Threw on the jacket, threw on some gloves, and was like, oh, it's a little chip. I don't think it has blinkers. That is one of the problems. I know the license plate isn't on it, and he said it's under the seat, and the registration and everything's under the seat. I must say, I love the way this sounds. It sounds so fucking sick. The paint scheme is interesting because it definitely draws attention. I'm actually surprised I haven't stalled yet. That's the crazy part. It's too bad it's getting dark, man. I really want to go take this thing for a spin. Tomorrow I'll definitely take it out, get some footage, go for a ride, get some good views with this thing and see how it looks. Definitely an attention getter for a bike, that is. I mean, I can see you riding around in this thing just getting all kinds of fucking looks. This shit looks sick. I'm pretty sure that there's no blinkers. I was thinking maybe there was like integrated tail light, but I don't think there is. So that's another thing. So no blinkers, no fucking plate on it, but whatever. Cops are hopefully not too fucking assholes. We'll see. Tomorrow being Memorial Day, ooh, that might be interesting. But dude, I really like this. This is cool. I'm glad I got to ride it for a little bit at least. This is pretty dope. Riding new bikes is always fun, man. You just feel like every bike is its own person, right? It has its own characteristics. Even if it's like two of the same models, a lot of times, like, you'll notice little different quirks, little different things. So it's always fun riding new bikes. And when it was like, yeah, I'll drop on a bike, I was like, hell yeah, I'm down for that. I didn't know what he was gonna drop off, honestly, until like he kind of was like, oh, do you need a bike with mirrors? I was like, yeah, I prefer a bike with mirrors. And he goes, all right, this one has mirrors. And he sent me the picture, and I was like, oh yeah, that's fucking cool.
Now that it's in the garage, we can kind of take a better look at it, and man, this thing looks clean. I wish it was brighter out, but I need to add some more lights to the garage. But like, just the blue accents that they add right here, that looks so freaking dope. And then like the little bit of blue that he adds up here, I believe all this is stuff that they make as well. So pretty cool. Even like this little paint job, look at that, like her tattoo. It says Impaktech. This is sick, man. Obviously built by Impaktech, and it's Impaktech bike. And the cage actually looks amazing on this thing. It fits the bike perfectly. It's like almost a perfect match to the rims. She's just standing out there in the rain. She's freaking funny. And then apparently, yeah, some stunt rider from Europe, Sena S20Evo, who supposedly he said was really, really good, used this bike, and he said he let her borrow it, and she went crazy with it and stunted it like nuts. So it's definitely capable. It definitely idles super high, so you know it's set up for that. And the gearing is definitely different, so it's interesting. Fun to ride for sure. Anyways, that's really all I had for you guys today. Like I said, I had planned to make a different video, but that didn't plan out, but we'll do that later. For the meantime, you settle with this video, and at least you get to see this piece of art. Really, a dope ass bike. Get to get used. I don't know if that's right, but I gotta go ride tomorrow, so we'll probably make another video tomorrow in the daytime when you can see it better. My biggest concern, no license plate on it. It's in the tail. I don't even know how to take the tail off. And it's Memorial Weekend, so we'll see how it goes. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Something short, something sweet, something fun. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. Peace.